Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an installation video. I've never actually done this like from scratch, so I'm going to show you guys how I installed this lace frontal wig by SUNWELL hair. So here I'm just measuring up my ear tabs and where I need to cut. So I'm taking the sideburns and I'm clipping it up, and then as you can see where your ear starts and the top of your ear, that's the area you want to cut. So I'm going to show you guys, like I'm going to like point it out. So first I cut through the middle, and then I'm going to cut around because it just made much more sense. So like here where my fingers are, where I pointed, that's where I'm going to cut. There's a little part in, that's the, yeah, that's where I'm going to cut, if that made any sense. So yeah, you can see that my hair lays pretty much over my ear, so it's very comfortable that way. And I do the same on the other ear, and then I'm going to clip up the middle section, and I'm going to make sure it fits, and I'm going to cut through the middle, and I'm going to cut in sections because it's just much easier. So I cut in sections, and I'm going to cut the lace, not directly where the hair begins, but a little bit in front. So you're going to see when I come closer that I didn't cut exactly where the hair starts. Also, when I cut, I don't cut straight across, I cut in zigzag motions. I'm just showing you guys how good the lace is. Like, if I lay the hair in front, like, you could barely detect it. But yeah, I'm going to do the same on the other sides, and then I'm going to start gluing it down. Well, I'm not actually using glue, I'm using a spray, but we'll talk about that when we get there. I don't really like to use glues to hold on my frontals because I like to take them off at night. So I use sprays like Got To Be and this product I'm using, which is ORS Super Hold Spray, and I'm just using that to keep my wig in place. And yeah, I'm just gluing it down using a comb, using a blow dryer. Please, when it comes to plucking, I don't send anybody. I'm not the queen of plucking. I literally didn't have time. This was a quick, very quick install, so don't get onto it for being a bit dense. But yeah, I'm just carrying on sticking down my frontal, and this lace is so thin, like it's so good. Like it just melted into my skin. I had no problems with the lace. I didn't even bleach the knots. I didn't bleach the knots. All I did was put some mineralized powder foundation on the lace front, and it just looks so good. Okay, so now we're working on the main section. This is where the edges are going to be. This is where I'm going to pluck even further because that's going to be like the start of the show really. So I'm going to take the thinnest amount of edges that this frontal has because it does have quite a thick layer, but I took the smallest amount out, and I'm just going to start plucking out and trying to make the frontal as thinner as possible, just so it looks more realistic and not too dense at the front. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys in comparison to the other side when I stretch it back. As you can see, one side is more thinner than the other. I'm just going to do the same to that side, and then I'm just going to trim the edges. And once I trim the edges, I'm going to start styling them. Unfortunately, I didn't capture the whole styling process of the edges because if you guys knew how long this took me, it took me a while. It took me about a good 15 minutes to finish these edges because they were just frustrating me. But yeah, I got there in the end. So now I'm taking some rubbing alcohol to just get rid of all the white residue left from the glue. And then I'm going to take some mousse to just literally make my hair look much more flatter than it is. And I'm going to take a scarf to just secure down the edge and the frontal area. So this has naturally wavy hair, so the style I chose to go for was a wavy look. So I got my waver out by Tony and Guy and I just started to wave the hair. TikTok for me, all up for me, lose yourself. Girl, come my way and call me Big Papa. Tell me who are the Gabzy alone, there ain't no other. Yeah, she tell me she feeling me. She tell me she want follow me to the corner. Her friends them are calling her. I tell them hold on, she's calling. Girl, I wanna get to know your body. No, you gotta go where you stay. Your body making me feel this way. So halfway through waving the hair, I didn't really like how it was looking, so I decided to comb it out. And when I combed it out, I kind of liked the curly look that it was giving me, so I just stuck with that and I just braided the front pieces. In terms of the quality of this hair, it is banging. I'm not going to lie to you guys, it's very good quality. For Amazon hair, I've seen no shedding at all, and the hair is so soft. I can run my hands through it 100 times and I'll experience no shedding. And the frontal is literally perfect, the size is perfect. Everything is really good about this hair. The only con I could say is that the density is quite low. If it was a bit high, just for me though, this might be perfect density for anyone else, but for me, I wish there was a bit more hair on the actual wig. But apart from that, it's good hair and I do recommend it. As you can see, my edges and this front has been cooking for a good second, so it's very flat. But yeah, I'm just tying back the braids in the back, and I'm going to take my powder foundation again and I'm just going to put it on the part so it looks more natural. I do recommend this wig for anyone that's literally looking for a wig that they can get the same day. This was same day delivery, Amazon Prime, and for Amazon hair it is very good quality. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. All the information on the hair will be in the description box down below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.